Starting at Church Square, you can certainly get a sense of festival in the crisp winter morning air. Music thumps in the background as people flitter around, setting up their stores and selling their wares. Walking up High Street, you hear cars, buses and trucks driving up and down the street as people start enjoying the sights and sounds of Grahamstown. Reaching Somerset Street and crossing the road to the Rhodes Theatre, I pass by hundreds of colourful posters, all of which advertise the vast amount of shows and events happening throughout Festival. Festival often takes months of planning, and walking around you see, hear and feel the buzz of people doing final preparations to their artworks, stalls and shows. Walking through the Rhodes campus, you can certainly feel the vibe, and you know that the 2014 National Arts Festival is about to begin. I'm Chris Booth, SAFM, Grahamstown.